Hello over there, this is Ian here, and I'm going to go on with my account on evidences that we encountered of the existence of another world. Not only the world that you see, there are many things between heaven and earth that we don't see, that we cannot see, but that do exist. Now, you may say, of course, it's the power of your mind creates the spirits, but I say, if you are in a state of fear, you, of course, can experience other entities coming and entering into you, or coming down and creating havoc in your lives. And that is why I always say, stay away from fear, fear not, because fear brings you to that level where you do experience things like that. Now let me give you another account of what happened many years ago when I was at university in South Africa. Now we were members of the prayer circle in South Africa, me and my friend and others, and we had to preview films to make sure that they were okay for the students. I mean, you know, this was in those years, not everyone just could watch any film. They had to be watched first by a board. And so we were the board and we watched the films first to see if they were suitable for the students. And one film that we watched was a film about the existence of Satan, the existence of the devil. Now, we know for sure that the devil doesn't exist, right? It could be a manufacture of your man's thinking, but in this case, we really experience something. There was one scene in the film because the film was a bit about exorcism. And as we were watching this film, I know in the film itself, we sort of felt a very creepy thing happening while we were watching this film. Now, at the back, there was a table that had cutlery and glasses and, because they were setting it up for a sort of a buffet after the film, so that after we previewed the film, we could go to the buffet and have something to eat. And then there was one scene in the film which I would never ever forget. In this scene, where the voice said, well, I'm Satan, and in the person, and I'm able to destroy anything and everything on this earth with the snap of my finger. When he said that in the film, I will destroy anything with a snap of my finger, the table behind us collapsed with a loud bang, and all the cutlery and all the dishes, the glasses just tumbled down and smashed in one huge big go. Now you could say that was coincidence. Well, I'm not so sure about that, because I don't believe in coincidences in this universe that we're living in. Because at that moment when that was said in the film, this big noise behind us made such a tremendous noise. At that moment where the guy in the film said, if I just snap my fingers, I'm Satan, if I snap my fingers, everything's gonna go. And that's what happened. You know, when it happened, we all got a fright. All 5, 6, 7 of us who were watching this film, this preview, that we decided to stop the preview at that moment. We said, no, the film is too wild, too violent for any student to watch. We will actually ban this film from being watched, because this was so real to us to have this experience. And it wasn't a coincidence. It was no coincidence. It was something that happened just at that very moment. And when this happened at that very moment, we decided, no, this was not the place for us to be. Because there can't be so many coincidences. It's not possible. So, however, We never forgot that because this was such an experience. And of course, the hairs on our skin stood on edge at that moment. Now, we all students, we're all scientific students, we all believe in science, and yet we were absolutely scared when that happened. Because basically we are still human beings and we can still feel the presence of beings that are not kindly towards us. All right, so this was the one experience. So thank you very much, and talk to you soon again. Bye for now.